All right, this is the 2017 GMC Acadia. Today I'm going to show you how to open up the hood in this vehicle. Okay, I'm sitting in the vehicle. The lights are turned off. The vehicle is completely turned off. I am going to reach up under here. All right, do you see that? There's the pedals and everything. But under here, there's something right here. There's a hood lever right here, right? You see that? I'm going to pull that. And you hear that click. The hood is popped open. And I'm gonna walk outside. I'm gonna walk outside, and I'm gonna walk around. I'm gonna walk around to the front of the vehicle, and there is a lever somewhere in here that I have to find. Yeah, the lever's right here. I'm gonna pull that to the left, and then or right, and pull it up, and the hood is open just like that. The lever is this right here, so you're gonna have to go like that. So let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching. Remember to read your user's manual. Okay, thanks a lot.